Hi folks, Shell Busey here with my OmBuseyMan blog, and there's a lot of information today that people are being, well, you have phone calls, you got knocks on doors, you got talking to people at shopping centers, all about how to repair concrete as well as asphalt and possibly even backyard paths or patios. I'm talking about what do you put over top of concrete or asphalt if it's cracked. Well, I hear everything, folks. I hear everything from paint. I hear the term coatings. I hear the term stamped concrete. I hear the terms of recycled rubber. I hear all of these things today that are being offered. One of the first things I want to make you aware of, before such time as you have anyone address that type of application to either of those items that you may have in your backyard or front yard or driveway, I want you to ask the question, can you show me one of your projects that are at least 5 years old? Because 5 years is kind of it's a magic number. How has the product lasted over that period of 5 years? You've had winter, you've had spring rains, you've had summer heat, etc. You want to see what it looks like because, when I become the OmBuseyMan, then I get asked and I want the information to be consistent. So let's take a peek here on my board here. I'm going to draw the surface that in your viewing, you're going to see it as a very let's say uneven surface. Now, if I was to draw a straight line across there, like that, and if I was to just cross-hatch that, that would indicate the amount of material that would have to be applied to the surface of asphalt in order to give it that nice, smooth, level look. Now, if you had concrete, let's say a concrete slab like so, and you had a crack there and a crack there, and you might even have a piece missing like that. How do you go about repairing that? Well, sure, you can go over top of that with another thin dressing coat, be it whatever. Again, paint, a coating, something that's going to be applied to the top, like it could be even stamped asphalt. It could be stamped rubber. It could be any of those things. That's why you want to go out and see something that at least is 5 years old. The reason for that, what has happened, and I better show the thickness here as well of the asphalt. So this here is asphalt, okay, and this here is concrete, not cement. Now, I say that cement is used to make concrete, but you got to add sand, aggregate, all those ingredients make concrete, okay? I know a lot of people say, well, there's a cement truck. Well, it's not a cement truck. It's a ready concrete truck. Some people say ready cement. Well, ready cement, whatever. The main thing is that concrete is concrete and it's all ready to place in the forms and make yourself a good, solid surface. Now, asphalt, if you were to say coat that, let's say that the coating was going to be, let's say asphalt over top of asphalt. In the event of asphalt and asphalt is quite soft when it gets hot. So you may find that asphalt, even though it was laid in place to give you that nice surface refurbish, it's not going to look possibly that great after a year or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. You want to see it at least 5 years because you're going to spend the money to do the repairs. Concrete, if you were to go over top of concrete with asphalt, then that crack there, if this concrete area here that was cracked and moved because of frost underneath, maybe heat from up on top, all of those things, that concrete is going to move. And if it moves, There's no way that that is not going to move there at the point of where the cracks are located. It's just that easy, folks. So why not consider saving your money, put up with the looks of your asphalt or concrete, and wait and have it totally removed and replaced? Because there's no use of spending the money today and then tomorrow, the next year, the third year, the fifth year, that way have it replaced. It's a matter of maybe you could coat it with, if it was asphalt, you coat it with an asphalt coating. Dress it up, make it look a little better. Concrete, you can even take products like Top and Bond, which is a cementitious material that you add water, mix it up just like a soup, and clean the concrete using my cleaning formula. Don't ever forget this product here, folks. There it is right there. It's all throughout the building supply, and if they don't have it, just say, phone Shell Busey. He's got it. Okay? But when you coat concrete with a cementitious material, cement like Top and Bond, then you're coating concrete with cement, and it gives you that nice gray look. Yeah, the crack will still be there, but don't try to patch the cracks, because all that concrete has to do is move just that little bit. The crack's right back anyway. So why break your back fixing a crack when it's not going to be there when you come back? So just don't do it. Asphalt, you can use asphalt patch. You can buy that at your local building supply store in a bag, asphalt patch, and do your own patching, and then go over top of that with an asphalt sealer. Okay, comes in a 5-gallon pail, and it's called asphalt sealer. And if you're looking for a real good sealer, ask for the one called Jet Seal. And that's the same one. Why it gets the name Jet? Because they use it at airports on the runways. Okay, so that's an asphalt sealer. Here you can use a product called Top and Bond, B-O-N-D. So, asphalt, concrete. Wait, and if you wait after, say, 3 to 5 years, you've saved enough money, have the asphalt replaced. They put in a proper base, proper drainage. That way you're not going to have the heaving, you're not going to have the settlement, and all those things that cause, well, discomfort to you when you're looking at it. So you get a little frustrated. So the same with concrete. Cracked concrete. Concrete was never made to bend. Okay, just not made to bend. So therefore it cracks. So have it removed down the road. Have it properly prepared underneath with proper drainage material, road base, and all the proper compaction, and place new concrete. And you know, folks, we have that all available through my referral network. All you got to do is go to askshell.com. It's just that easy. Until next time, the OmBuseyMan blog will be coming your way. Bye-bye for now.